Nestled in the heart of Enugu State, Nigeria, with a population projected to be around 100,000, Ngwo is a picturesque heaven known for its breathtaking natural beauties, vibrant culture, and rich history. From the lush green landscapes to captivating waterfalls, Ngwo offer a unique blend of tranquility and adventure for visitors and residents alike. Ngwo, which is approximately 22 kilometers from the state capital of Enugu, is characterized by rolling hills, dense forests, and fertile valleys, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts. Its geographical features include the famous Ngwo pine forest, which covers a vast expanse of land and provides a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of the urban life. The town of Ngwo is made up of 10 villages, namely Ameke Ngwo, Amankwo Ngwo, Uboji Ngwo, Okaka Ngwo, Enugu Ngwo, Etiti Ngwo, Amachara Ngwo, Amebo Ngwo, Okwojo Ngwo, and Omase Ngwo. Ngwo is located in Udi local government area, while some part of the town is located in Enugu North local government area. Ngwo lies along the Enugu-Onitsha Express Road and Enugu-Makurdi Highway. The people of Ngwo are welcoming and friendly. The major occupation of the people are farming and trading. Ngwo is home to Seven-Up Bottling Company, Aquarafa Company, Nigerian Brewery PLC, popularly known as Ama Brewery, located in Ngwo, 9 Mile Corner, among others. For lovers of tourism, Ngwo is a popular destination for tourists as it is renowned for its natural attractions, chief among them being the Ngwo Pine Forest, Okojo Waterfall, the Ngwo Cave and Waterfall tucked away amidst towering cliffs and verdant vegetation. Ngwo Cave is a marvel of nature with its intricate rock formation and cool, damp interior, providing a fascinating glimpse into the Earth's geographical history. Adjacent the cave lies the breathtaking Ngwo waterfall. The waterfall, fed by a mountain stream, is a popular spot for picnic lovers and hikers who come from far and wide to enjoy its beauty and serenity. In addition to the natural wonders, Ngwo boasts of rich cultural heritage that is celebrated through various festivals, rituals, and traditions, popular among them being the famous Odo Masquerade Festival and the New Yam Festival. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe if you are yet to do so. See you in my next video.